It's time for System Test 3. I've really honestly enjoyed making this series, so please feel free to let me know if you've enjoyed watching it. For this system test, I've gone ahead and replaced all of the devices in the system except for the automatic initiating devices, such as the smoke detectors. But other than that, for the pull station, we have the Fire-Lite BG12L. This is a really nice pull station. They're very common. I see them everywhere. And for those of you that are looking to kind of get into the fire alarm hobby and are looking for a first pull station, I would recommend this guy right here. Good pull station. It was my first pull station. So there's that. Going up, yep, we've got the System Sensor SpectrAlert Classic P241575 fire alarm horn strobe. This is the fire alarm that I grew up with. This was in my elementary school. Over here on the other side of the garage, we have a System Sensor SpectrAlert strobe only 15 candela. I was originally going to put a horn strobe up, but I figured one horn was good enough, so I just put the strobe only version up. We're going to go ahead and pull it. The horn is set on code 3. I just don't think I could handle continuous. It's just not my thing. But here we are. Fire-Lite BG12L. To activate this, you just read the instructions. Push in, pull down. Push in, and then pull down. So, here we go. 3, 2, 1. So we do have audible silence, and that means even though the alarms are silenced, the strobes continue to flash. I absolutely love audible silence. I don't have a problem with it, but NFPA got rid of it a few years ago because if you are hearing impaired, then you don't know if the alarm is still going off or not. Can't forget to reset the pull station. These are really easy to reset. You just stick the key in them and then open it up, and it's spring loaded, so the lever just pops back up. And this switch right here, you don't even have to manually put it back up. When you close it, the pull station automatically puts it back up. And we can go ahead and reset the panel. This panel, for me, takes about a minute to reset, so we're just gonna let that happen. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you thought of it, and have a good day.